Today we're going to talk to you about how to remove a stubborn odor from inside of your refrigerator. Now there are 7 steps to do this. And step 1 is to remove all of the shelving from your refrigerator. And then you're going to clean it in a solution that is 1 part vinegar and 1 part water. And once you've done that, you're going to rinse off all of those items with 1 part lemon juice and 1 part water. Step 2, put all of your new clean, removable shelving into the refrigerator. And remember to thoroughly dry everything. Step 3, place activated charcoal in paper bowls and place the bowls in the freezer compartment and in the refrigerator compartment. Step 4, baking soda. Open up baking soda boxes and place 1 on each shelf inside your freezer compartment and your refrigerator compartment. Step 5 is one of the more unusual steps. You're going to get a bowl for each shelf of your refrigerator. You're going to take a newspaper, crumple it up into a ball, and place it in each paper bowl. Then you're going to take some vanilla extract, that's right, vanilla extract, and pour it over the newspaper. And then you're going to put them inside the refrigerator, 1 on each shelf. Step 6, breath mints. That's right. You're going to take a breath mint and place it on a dampened paper plate. Make sure that the water gets around the breath mint, and then you're going to place it inside your refrigerator. You're going to place it on the center shelf. Now let's take a look at what your refrigerator looks like on the inside after step 6. Step 7, turn your refrigerator back on. Now, in an ideal situation to really effectively remove the odor, you're going to want to leave your refrigerator free of food and just leave these articles inside the refrigerator until the odor has been removed. And then you can start reintroducing food into your refrigerator.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.